What if you could build a professional tech career without spending years learning to code? Low-code and no-code platforms are creating exactly that opportunity. And the professionals who specialize in these tools are in high demand across industries worldwide. Let me show you how this career path works. The software development world is splitting into two tracks: traditional coding for complex, custom-built systems, and low-code or no-code platforms for everything else. That second track is a market worth over $50 billion globally. Low-code and no-code tools let you build applications visually. You drag and drop components, configure workflows, and connect integrations. No traditional programming language required. Why are companies hiring for this? Firstly, speed. A low-code developer can build and deploy an application in days, not months. Secondly, cost. It is far less expensive than hiring full development teams for internal tools. Thirdly, accessibility. Non-technical team members can maintain and update applications themselves. Here are 4 roles emerging from this trend, with global relevance. Citizen developer. You work in operations, marketing, or sales, and you build tools for your team using no-code platforms. Companies are creating dedicated roles specifically for this skill. Low-code developer. You specialize in platforms like OutSystems, Mendix, or Microsoft PowerApps. You build business applications professionally for internal or client use. Automation specialist. Using platforms like Zapier, Make, or N8N, you connect systems and eliminate manual work across entire organizations. No-code consultant. You advise companies on which platforms to use, build initial systems, and train their teams. Experienced consultants in this space charge competitive hourly rates globally. Popular platforms to learn by category: for web applications, Bubble, Webflow, FlutterFlow; for automation, Zapier, Make, N8N; for databases, Airtable, NoCoDB; for enterprise applications, Microsoft PowerApps, OutSystems, Mendix. The learning curve is realistic. 3 to 6 months to become proficient on one major platform. 6 to 12 months to be highly hearable across multiple platforms. That is significantly faster than learning traditional programming. The honest reality: some traditional developers look down on this path. Ignore that perspective. You will be solving real business problems and earning a real professional income. Low-code and no-code is creating a brand new category of tech professional worldwide. Our no-code career accelerator teaches you 3 platforms in depth, including how to find clients or land a job. The link is in the description, or visit our website uplatz.com. Subscribe for alternative paths into tech careers that do not require a computer science degree.